Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and this time at Tuesday morning in Henderson. This is the Henderson or Stephanie Street Tuesday morning, and I am showing you here how much we have here in this store. Let me start off in this first rack. You saw that sewing machine. We are memory keeper sewing machine. Now where I'm going to the second rack, and this is what we have in this second rack. So this is my second time visiting this store. The first time I went here, I didn't take a video of it, but this time I figured I might as well show you guys because this store has a huge craft aisle. And here's a mini mink and the SKU and the price. And yeah, so as I was saying earlier, this store has a very huge, I felt, a very huge and long craft aisle, both sides of the aisle. And yeah, it was plenty of stuff. And they carry a lot of stuff here as far as art supplies, scrapbook supplies, and stationery area is also huge, which by the way I didn't take a picture of or didn't show you in this video, but it is also an extension or is in the same aisle as their craft aisle. So moving forward, I am here checking out and showing you some of this is I think the third rack on the right side as you come in, and showing you what's on the top. So lots of items, guys. And then we have the fourth rack here. That little container there, that little refrigerator container, that is so cute. I was so tempted to grab that one. But anyway, moving on. This is the fourth rack. A lot of embellishments as usual. And so this is what we have here. Just panning through and showing you what they have. And this is the next rack over. A lot of planners. And then we also have some page protectors from Project Life. Some of the fuses for Project Life. And then lots of odds and ends. Moving forward, we have the washi aisle. I call this the washi aisle. But then, of course, it's got all the storyline by Heidi Swap. And a lot of the mini kits for Project Life. And, of course, some stickers for Project Life, too. Kelly Creates over here. So a lot of little birdie flowers. Look at all this cuteness. See, unfortunately, I don't do a lot of bulky stuff on my album anymore, and I've stopped working on cards for a while until I finish or catch up with, or I feel comfortable with what I have in my scrapbook items or scrapbooks, because I have put aside my scrapbook for a while there. So moving on, this is the extension of to the next aisle, a lot of kits here. So I am in the store looking for actually a Project Life Honey edition core kit, and for a friend who lives in Hawaii. Hi Faith. Anyway, I wasn't able to find it here. But I'm just showing you what this store has. Look at all the sticker books, guys. A lot for planners and whatnot. A lot of, I can't get over how many Project Life core kits there are. Of course, they also have a lot of paper kits here too, including Project Life papers. 12 by 12. Of course, there's some page protectors there too. I grabbed four for you, Faith. So there you go. And I will show you the haul that I have picked up from this store at a later video. Um, so anyway, moving on. This is a lot of card stocks up here. 8.5 by 11, 8 by 8, and 6 by 6s. Speaking of 6x6ers, 6x6s, these are 6x6 paper pads from different or various manufacturers. So we have the 12x12s here too, the kits and paper pads. And I tried to stay away from them. I was a bit successful. I only picked up a couple of Project Life 12x12 papers. And then moving on to this side, we have a lot of vinyl here, vinyl rolls. A lot, guys. I was just looking at them and I was so debating whether I should pick them up or not. Then we have our holiday decor, DIY decor stuff. And then the next rack here will be golden for my chalk cutter friends. There's a lot of surfaces here that you guys can use. Oops, a customer went by. Anyway, so here we go. We got a lot, like I had mentioned. We have several items here that you can use for surfaces. We have card making items here. Now, here is an end cap, and I'm focusing on this outline because I was looking at it. Do I want to buy it? And here's the SKU and the price. Getting it closer to you guys. It was $44.99, and I passed on it because I'd rather get something else because I have lots of lights already. A lot of glitter stamps, embossing powders here, mostly multimedia stuff here. And then, of course, you got some how-to books and stamps. A lot of Kelly Create stuff then at the bottom. Then we go on the left side of the aisle from the top side. This is all baking items on this rack. See, I don't bake. I used to bake, but I don't bake anymore because, again, one craft at a time, guys. I can't do everything because, well, I want to concentrate on one at a time. And this time I want to concentrate on scrapbooking. Here is the next rack that is full of We Are Memory Keepers tools. OMG. Look how loaded this rack is. Uh-oh. I'm keep on swinging to the other side where the baking is, but look at all this stuff, guys. Look at all these tools and punch boards. I just can't get over how many there are. Then, of course, on the top of the racks, you will find a lot of boxes, organizing boxes right here. So panning down on the next rack are all mostly, we have punches, more tools for We Are Memory Keepers, trimmers. Oh my gosh. And then there's the Happy Jig tool on that right side over there. And then more mats. A lot of stuff, guys. A lot. This store is just laid out really nice and you can see everything. And look at all those, what do you call those things? The mini embossing, not embossing. Oh geez, here, let me take you down. There you guys go. The sidekick, that's what I'm talking about. So yes, there's about 5 of them there. So if you're looking for sidekicks, go to the Henderson Tuesday morning, and this is the Stephanie Street Tuesday morning. Oh my gosh, look at all these dies. I went through this dies and then I had to stop myself because I had plenty of dies that I picked up from previous hauls already. So I just stopped myself and just said, Marissa, be happy with what you got. You spent a lot of money. Anyway, looking on the top again, I'm just showing you. So it's kind of empty on some of the racks, above some of the racks, but most of them are the shoebox organizers. So just showing them to you guys right now. And then panning down again to the stickers and embellishments. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at the hooks, guys. Most of them are loaded. I mean, you can go through this store and spend hours just looking at what each of the racks. Yeah. Some more surfaces for my chocolatier friends. And then I am attracted to this. OMJ. I wanted it. I wanted it. So I'm going to have to check the price and the SKU. Let me get it closer to you guys. Excuse my hand. Excuse my thumb. I have some flare-ups, eczema flare-ups happening now. So this is a $3.99 item. And I kept coming back to it. I kept coming back, kept coming back. It's so cute. I found it so cute. Anyway, at this point, it went in my cart. So anyway, here's more items here that I'm showing you for, I think those are the ones that they use for the lights, the Heidi Swap lights. And more organizers here and more stickers and embellishments. That little rabbit, that little white rabbit, by the way, is made out of felt. I was tempted to grab that one too. There it is again. And the reason why I kept panning to it's because I kept getting gravitated to it, but I stopped myself and said, Marissa, you don't need it. So I guess if you talk to yourself when you shop like I do, welcome to the club, guys. And then I answer myself back too, which is kind of dangerous. So, oh my goodness. Anyway, more surfaces and more of those letter, I guess they're called letter boards. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed our walkthrough a Tuesday morning at Stephanie Street at Henderson, Nevada. Um, yeah, and if you haven't had the chance to subscribe yet, please subscribe. This is the best time to do so. We are trying to grow our family. So I hope you be able to subscribe. And yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.